And this question is given that the ratio of radii of Earth to another planet is 2 by 3 and ratio of their mean density is 4 by 5. If an astronaut can jump to a maximum height of 1.5 meter on Earth, with the same effort, maximum height can jump on the planet is. So let's see what is the relation between this maximum height and acceleration due to gravity on the surface. That means if we are projecting an object from the surface of a planet in upward direction with a velocity u, then it will be able to reach some maximum height. At the maximum height, we know that velocity is going to be 0. And let's say the maximum height attained by this object is nothing but h. And let's say the acceleration on that planet is g, acting in downward direction. So we know these informations like initial velocity u, final velocity 0, and displacement is h, and acceleration due to gravity is g, which is acting in downward direction. So we'll take it as nothing but a s minus g. Now we can use that equation, kinematics equation, v square minus u square is equal to 2s. So this is going to be 0 minus u square is equal to 2 into acceleration is minus g and displacement is h. So we can write u square is equal to 2gh, or we can write the value of maximum height attained is u square divided by 2g. So from this equation we can say that this maximum height attained is inversely proportional to the value of acceleration due to gravity. So we can write the maximum height attained on that planet divided by maximum height attained on Earth will be equal to acceleration due to gravity on Earth divided by acceleration due to gravity on that planet. Or I can write the value of maximum height attained by that planet will be equal to maximum height attained on Earth into acceleration due to gravity on Earth divided by acceleration due to gravity on that planet. So first we need to find out what about the value of acceleration due to gravity on that planet. So we can write acceleration due to gravity on the surface of a planet is gm by r square, and here it is given in terms of density. So we'll write the value of mass as nothing but density into volume. Volume we can take it as 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by r square. So we can cancel this r square and this r over here. So this is going to be g is equal to g into density into 4 pi r divided by 3. Or you can write this acceleration due to gravity is directly proportional to density and directly proportional to radius. That means acceleration due to gravity on Earth divided by acceleration due to gravity on that planet is density of Earth by density of planet into radius of Earth by radius of planet. In this question, the ratio is given. The ratio of radius of Earth to that planet is 2 by 3. So we can write this is equal to 2 divided by 3 into the ratio of their densities is given as nothing but 4 divided by 5. So we can write this is equal to 8 divided by 15. Or you can write the GE divided by GP is equal to 8 by 5. Now we can put this value over here. So acceleration due to gravity or the height reached on that planet is equal to height reached on Earth, which is also given in the question as something but 1.5 meter. So we can write as 1.5 meter into GE by GP, which is 8 divided by 15, which is equal to 0.1 into 8, which is equal to 0.8.